Hello, you're going to replace a thermal fuse on the dryer. I've taken it offline, as you can see. It's facing back here. I left the panel off the back so you can get to it. And the part you're replacing is this one. I wrote it thermal fuse. I've left the bad one in so you know how it goes in. It screws in by one screw only. The part over here is this little hook that hooks into a little hole in the armature of this element. This is the heating element here. So unscrew this, slip it out of the hole, save the screw, and take this wire gently off. Just wiggle it back and forth. I've already taken this one off for you. Get the new part, orientate it the same way with the little hook in the hole and stuff, and you can screw this in the hole here, and that'll be in there, the new one. And then you need to join these two on. So the one that says bottom connect, you just put on the bottom one, beep, and wheel it all the way in gently till it seats down, and do the same thing for the top. Now I've written some directions here on this. After you read them, just take that off the wires. So once that's in there and these are hooked up, that should make the heat go. And I've already checked this one out. This is the high limit thermostat. This is fine. And then the cycling thermostat over here is fine. So that should be it. This is the one that always goes on us. And right here is the heating element, so the air goes through the air and the coil heats up. And if it gets too hot, this thing here senses the temperature over like 100 and something degrees, then it shuts off. It will disrupt the connection, the electrical current to the heater, so it'll turn the heat off. Unfortunately, it's not something you can reset. You have to replace it. So we don't know what is causing the thing to heat up, but that's for another day. Okay. And then when you want to put everything back, after you've done that, you just pick the back up and you put it on over this exit pipe down here. And what I've done is I'll put the screws next to each hole. So what you do is like untape the screws like that here, and then stick it in the hole and screw it in. And there's 4 screws, 2 screws on each side and then one in the middle. This wrench here, the ratchet wrench, you can get the ones on the side. The one in the middle is a different size, so you can do that with this regular screwdriver. I'll leave that here on the floor with the back of this. So once that's on, you just turn the dryer around facing the vent pipe. And then this vent pipe is flexible up the corner here, so this will be facing the wall, and so you just slide this on right here, and the back will be on. You slide it on right here, push it in, and then you can just push it against the wall. Okie dokie. That should be it. And then you plug this in. Plug this in here. And go over here. And just put your setting on high, and then however many minutes you want, and then hit this, and it should go. And then you should this should spin around with your clothes in it, and then wait for a couple minutes, open it up, and stick your hand in there and see if it's warm. And that should be it. It's pretty straightforward when the part arrives. Bye bye.